My name is Dave Totten. I came to Pittsburgh to go to school and came back to Pittsburgh for work.
We can't do a lot of the projects that we do without the support of community organizations and community residents that work on the projects. Because GTEC is not geographically based, meaning that we'll work anywhere throughout Allegheny County, it's really important that we have really sound partners that actually exist and live in these neighborhoods and work in them every single day of the year to help us get the message out of the projects that we're doing and to rally the community members in those neighborhoods.
You know, with most community development activities, the best way to address it is through, community-driven volunteer efforts, if possible.
The people that live here are the ones that really know what the issues are. They're the ones that know what people here want to see in their neighborhoods. And that's what we want. We want people to have something in their neighborhoods that they care about and that they actually want to see there.
So that collaborative effort between the community and Reclaim South has allowed individuals, initially maybe 10 right now, but there's another 100 waiting to participate in the process. And so by utilizing those community members, it's all healing from within. That if we change those lots, we change the thinking of communities.
The amount of outreach that's being done, the push to reach out and expand and involve others as well as collaborate across projects.
Yeah, it has been really neat to connect with all the different parts of the neighborhood because each one of the ambassadors is from a different part of the Hilltop, a different Hilltop community. So it's been neat to see all the different pieces of the Hilltop coming together.
Friends who are outside our community, they belong to our neighborhood. They come, we talk to them, we share, interact. So ultimately, we are having relation with them also.
My experience with people giving help when I need it has been when we actually started working on the projects physically. A lot of neighborhoods curiosity say, what's going on over there? And so they just start milling over, and then when you tell them what's going on, that it's improving their neighborhood, next to their house, they get very interested and roll up their sleeves, and we've had great success in getting neighbors unsolicited, rolling up their sleeves and helping us with our projects. It's been wonderful.
And I'm also surprised how many people in the neighborhood want to help, and they want to be a part of it, and all they have to do is be asked. It was surprising to me how much you can get if you just ask.
I thought it was really cool how I was able to work together with the other ambassadors with this project. That was a huge help. So it was great the way we were all able to pull together to make this happen.